This is Arvin Vora, founder of Vora Method and author of The Equation for Excellence, How to Make Your Child Excel at Math. Let's talk about analogies. Analogy questions are like this. A puppy is to dog as one of these is to the other thing. Let's take a look at how we solve it. We start off by creating a very simple sentence that shows the relationship between puppy and dog. I choose this sentence. A puppy is a baby dog. Here's what I don't do. I don't do something like this. I don't tell a big, long story. I saw a puppy and it ran to the store and I noticed a dog. That's not what we're looking for. We don't want some elaborate, long story sentence. We want a simple sentence that basically shows either the definition or some other very simple relationship. And from that, we're going to get the structure. So here, the original is the sentence is a puppy is a baby dog. The structure is a blank is a baby blank. A first thing is a baby second thing. Let's see how we use it. So now we're going to test out baby is to rattle. Maybe that's right. A puppy is a baby dog. A blank is a baby blank. So we'll test out a baby is a baby rattle. Well, it's not. A baby's not a small little rattle. A baby's a baby human. All right, let's try the next one. We'll do cat is to kitten. A puppy is a baby dog. Let's see. We have a first thing is a baby second thing. Let's put those things right in the blanks. A cat is a baby kitten. That's wrong. A cat's not a baby kitten. A kitten's a baby cat, but that's not what this says. Remember, the order matters here. Now we have a puppy is a baby dog. A something is a baby something. Let's try the next one. Sapling is to tree. A sapling is a baby tree. Well, it is. It is. A sapling is just a baby tree. If you don't know what a sapling is, it's just basically a baby tree. There's not much else you can say about that. Let's try this one. Let's see if the other ones just happen to work. A painter is a baby painting. Remember the same structure. That doesn't make any sense. A painter's not a baby painting. We keep that same structure. A blank is a baby blank. We plug these new things into the blanks. A farmer is a baby cow. A farmer's not a baby cow. That's all there is to it. Now notice, I don't make 25 different sentences. I use one sentence, I use one structure, and see which one fits into the structure. I don't find a different sentence for all the answer choices. I just find a sentence for the original question, and then I see which of these answer choices fit into that original sentence. So you're only going to make one type of sentence, not 25 types of sentences. One type of sentence for each question. When you get to the totally next question, after you finish this question, then of course you'll have a different sentence or structure. Now sometimes, if you like, you can get a little mathematical. So here you have thunderstorm is to drizzle. You could write that as a thunderstorm is a big drizzle. A drizzle when there's just a little bit of rain. Obviously, a thunderstorm, there's a huge amount of rain. So a thunderstorm is a big drizzle. Or if you're real good at math, you can write thunderstorm is greater than drizzle. And sometimes I like to do that. So let's test out a few examples. What if we do snack and meal? Snack is greater than meal. Well, it's not. A meal is greater than a snack, if anything. Let's try dog to cat. Well, is a dog a big giant cat? No. This one works. A battleship is greater than a rowboat. A battleship is a big, huge rowboat. Yeah, it's kind of like a rowboat, but 9 million times the size. In all of these, notice there's a few things. First, I use a very simple relationship. With the thunderstorm is to drizzle, I don't say there was a thunderstorm, then I fell asleep, then I woke up, then I ate a sandwich, and then there was a drizzle. No, I'm trying to find a very simple and direct relationship between the two. So first, I keep it very simple. And second, I actually plug the answers into the thing. Once I have the structure, I actually test out each answer in the structure. If it's very difficult, I might write it down, right? I might actually write it down on a piece of paper. If it's otherwise, I'll say it out loud. I'll actually read these out loud. If I'm taking a test, I might just kind of do it under my breath or something like that. But I'll say, a cat is a baby kitten. A painter is a baby painting. And I realize that those are wrong, right? So I actually test these out. If you just kind of like look at this and do your best to like intuit it, that's not how this works. You need to actually have a clear structure and then see which one fits into that structure exactly. So go ahead and try the analogies that in this worksheet. And of course, your instructor will be there to make sure that you're using a rigorous structure, that you're testing out your answers and doing all the methods and using the methods that you need to get the answers completely right.